Okay,
so here
so it's just a legal process. It's a legal process that's being followed. That's your point, Teesta Setalwad. You've termed this ruling as a huge step forward. Zakia Jafri says she's disappointed. How is this a huge step forward?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say that Zakia Appa is in Surat. She was misinformed by the media. She's given a different reaction in the morning and a different one in the afternoon. Tanveer Bhai, her son, is sitting next to me. You can get that clarification from him. Coming to your point, I'd like to say that what was the prayer in the SLP, Zakia Ehsan Jafri and CJP versus Narendra Modi and 61 others? Our prayer was for registration of an FIR.
That
Please
wasn't
look at
accepted.
Para 8 and 9 of the Supreme Court order today, which relies on section 1. One second, let me finish. You did not interrupt the other speakers. You did not interrupt the other speakers, the political ones. Don't interrupt me. You can't have double standards. Please look at Para 8 and Para 9 of the Supreme Court order. It goes way beyond our prayer. It goes way beyond the prayer in our petition for FIR, because Para 8 and 9 asks the SIT now to file a charge sheet on the basis of our complaint. The SIT report, not just Raghavan's giving a clean chit, but Malhotra's, which does not give a clean chit, and also the amicus Raju Ramachandran's report. So the reason why we are saying that it's a huge step forward is for logical reasons contained in the order, that this order gives us now a prosecution stage, that now the SIT will file a charge sheet based on our complaint. We will have a say if the SIT feels that some accused have to be dropped as complainants. If the magistrate decides to file a closure report on this complaint, we will have a say. So instead of starting from the FIR stage, the Supreme Court order now has taken it to a committal stage. That is why I repeat that it's a huge step forward.
Okay, your interpretation of the verdict, the BJP's interpretation of the verdict, completely different. Amazing. Both of you are really satisfied with this verdict. But Tanveer Jafri, what was it that you were expecting from the court today?
As she said, we had come to the Supreme Court asking them to register an FIR. Now, if you look at the order, it is in fact a step beyond FIR. When FIR registered, the investigation starts from zero. Here we are talking about a complete report which has been prepared under the watchful eyes of Supreme Court. There is observation of amicus curiae which are now going to be submitted in the words of Supreme Court as a report / charge sheet to the magistrate who is prosecuting who is currently conducting the Gulbarga Society trials, and he has to apply his mind. And if he wants to drop anybody from this list, then he has to call us and hear us in the court. No, it is basically when you drop a person from the court, it is only after hearing to us and when you drop, because it is accused. Then only the question comes of dropping. So I feel it is basically a FIR, a kind of FIR which is being attached to the current FIR which is there in the 67/2002 Meghalinagar Gulbarga Society case.
Okay. Shakti Singh Goel.
Basically addiction to that.
Okay, Shakti Singh Goel. What was sought? What was sought? Okay.
From the zero.
Okay. Okay. But there is no FIR. The case is not transferred out of Gujarat. In fact, it will be investigated in Gujarat. Is this perhaps in a way a setback?
No, Gaurav, if you look at
that was never a prayer.
Yeah.
Gaurav.
Yeah.
If you have a copy of the judgment,
I do,
and if you have a copy, of SLP, which was filed by the complainant, what was the prayer of the complainant?
The prayer was an FIR against Narendra Modi and the others, 61 others who were involved. And Shammi, that's the point. There is no FIR. The case is not transferred out of the state.
No. Just listen. Just give me 2 minutes, and then if you have any
FIR, you're not accused
for a minute.